Hello and welcome to your KIN340 Lab guided meditation. Let's begin by closing our eyes and gently bringing awareness to our breath. Paying attention to how our body moves as we breathe in and as we breathe out. Not changing our breath, just noticing. As we continue to breathe at our own pace, let's check in with our body. Starting at our feet, as we're sitting in our chair, we can have our feet flat on the ground or our legs straightened out and relaxed in front of us. Letting our toes relax. And then feeling any tension release up through our legs and all the way to our seat. Checking in with our back, feeling our shoulder blades pull back with an upright posture, but our shoulders are relaxed and down away from our ears. Noticing our hands, maybe wiggling our fingers a bit, and then feeling them relax, heavy and calm into our lap. Continuing to take deep breaths, as we then check in with our facial expression. Maybe squeezing our face together like we just ate something sour, and then feeling the contrast for how relaxed we can let our face fall after. Feeling our facial expression melt down into the ground. And bringing our awareness back to our breath, again noticing the rise and fall of our inhales and our exhales. Bringing our awareness back to our breath, our body relaxed. And now we slowly start to pay attention to where we feel the most movement during our inhales and our exhales. Let's place our right hand on our chest and our left hand on our belly and continue to breathe. As we inhale and exhale, notice if we feel our chest or our belly moving more. And now, with each breath, let's try to increase the movement in our belly and decrease the movement in our chest, allowing our diaphragm muscle to do the work of breathing for us, rather than tightening up our chest to take breaths. As we inhale, let's expand our belly like a balloon, puffing our belly out. And then as we exhale, collapsing that balloon, drawing the air out of our body. Again, we'll inhale, expanding that belly like a balloon, and exhale, allowing that balloon to collapse. Again, inhaling, inflating that balloon, chest is calm, and then we exhale, deflating that balloon. Continue to belly breathe at your own pace. And once you're ready, you can return your hands back into your lap. But even as your hands fall back to your lap, notice the rise and fall of your belly and the calmness that you feel in your chest. With each inhale and exhale, try to deepen our breaths. Returning again to our belly breathing, continuing to keep our eyes closed. Adding on to our belly breathing, we'll start to add paced breathing. We'll inhale for a count of 2, then exhale for a count of 2, and continue to increase that pace or that count to slowly allow our breath to deepen. So together, let's inhale for 1, 2, exhale for 1, 2. Again, inhale for 1, 2, exhale for 1, 2. This time we'll inhale for 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. Again, inhale 1, 2, 3. Exhale 1, 2, 3. And to 4, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4. Exhale 1, 2, 3, 4. And continue breathing at your own paced count, selecting whatever number you'd like for an inhale and whatever number you'd like for an exhale. Maybe you'd like your exhale to be longer or shorter. That's up to you. Just continue to breathe with our belly at whichever pace feels good for us. Bringing our eyes closed, returning to our deep belly breaths. Next, we'll explore another method of paced breathing called a gatha. A gatha is a meditative poem that we can place phrases or words with our inhales and exhales. You can also think of this as a mantra. Let's breathe in, and in your mind, repeat the phrases after me as we match them with our breath. So breathing in, I smile. Breathing out, I feel calm. Breathing in, I am confident. Breathing out, I feel joy. Again, breathing in, I smile. Breathing out, I feel calm. Breathing in, I am confident. Breathing out, I feel joy. Breathing in, I smile. Breathing out, I feel calm. Breathing in, I am confident. Breathing out, I feel joy. We'll shorten it now to, as we breathe in, we'll say smile. Breathe out, calm. Breathe in, confidence. Breathe out, joy. Smile, calm, confidence, joy. And for our last section of our guided meditation, let's close our eyes and return again to our belly breathing. Now that we've reviewed belly breathing, paced breathing, and gathas, let's use these last few minutes to select our favorite guided meditation practice. And begin by just relaxing our shoulders, relaxing our hands in our lap, sitting up tall, feeling relaxed with our feet grounded on the floor. Begin by deepening our breath, allowing our belly to expand, and exhale, allowing our belly to collapse. And now choosing whether we'd like to do a paced breathing or a gatha, or maybe just relax and focus on our belly breathing. If at any time our mind gets distracted, just gently allow yourself to return back to your breathing, and know that distractions will happen, and that's okay. Just gently remind yourself to return back to your breath, to your gatha, or to your paced breathing. Thank you for practicing in this KIN340 lab guided meditation.